perform operations on the STX platform, we will follow this step by step. Access your account and, right on the home page, you are faced with the Operations panel, which is located in the Trading menu. In Trading, scroll down and view the broker with the lowest price to buy. In this example, it is the Gemini broker. Below you will find a list of brokers where you will select the indicated broker, Gemini. When selecting it, check now the broker with highest price for sale, located on the right side of the screen. In this example, the Bitham broker is referring us. Now we go to the list below to select the Bitham broker. After selecting the two brokers, go to the quantity field and enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to trade. In this example, I am using 0.01 Bitcoin for this operation. Now click on Apply. Then your arbitration settings will be shown, including how many % this operation will profit. Once you have verified your information, click on Process Arbitration. In the field below, you will open the more detailed calculation of your operation, including the profit sharing. To confirm your operation, click Confirm Exchange Operation. After processing your transaction, you will be redirected to a page where you will have access to the transaction statement. But on the platform's homepage, when scrolling down, you also find the information of the operation performed. There, you just performed an arbitration operation on the STX platform.